$1,000 in a month, right? You probably heard this already if you've been watching me. Uh, that's kind of the goal. Sometimes we get it, sometimes we don't. Some days we get $1,000 on Monday, and then maybe we get 5,000 on Wednesday, or maybe we go bust and well don't get anything for 2 days, and then breaking even, so to speak, and then we have Friday, which is we'll make that cash come in, right? So 3 grand. However, last week was super, so 11 grand total in profit. Really good trades. The market and trading period doesn't matter if you're in crypto or if you're in commodities or stocks. The market's been nuts. If you paid attention to it, I've been kind of reading some news. So silver's dropped tremendously, gold's even dropping, and Bitcoin is getting smashed in the face completely. As a matter of fact, I haven't even seen that. What is the current price? Let's share with you guys. All right, so yeah, we're doing pocket options, of course. Those of you who are new and are skeptical, my real account, my demo account. So haven't even touched the demo account. Uh, we went from $20,000 to 231, about going on, what is it, 5 months, something like that. So massive, massive, well, 10x easy. Okay, what did I wanted to show you? That was crypto bubbles. Just take a look at the price. Where is Bitcoin? Sitting it right now. Ooh, $66,000. Ouch. Yeah, I'm staying away from that one. Right now, not really. I can't say that. That's not even fair to say. Um, when I say I'm staying away from it. So, that's what we were talking about last week. For those of you who missed it, yeah. So volatility is really good for marketing. Why? Well, especially if it's dropping like really, really strong, you could jump on that wagon and you have a good clear sign of a trend, and you just follow the trend down, right? Well, that's kind of like how we do with my strategy here on Pocket Options. So find a good trend, find a window, an opportunity, get in, get out, that kind of thing. We trade on the 1 minute time frame. Starting off slow, then getting big. You know. Uh, so yeah, so Bitcoin's pretty bad. You can see it right. Oh, right now it's at 92. So it's sitting at 92% in return. That's actually pretty good, considering that what I'm usually trading on is Euro US dollar. Interesting. Let me just refresh that. That doesn't even seem right, does it? Nah. Okay, 68. Australian dollar is 82. I want to find something new. I don't want to trade Bitcoin just because every single time that I'm trading on Bitcoin, you know what? You know what? Let's do that. Let's do something a little bit different. Ugh. Hmm. Oh, Bitcoin ETF OTC is out right now. Why is it out? Why can't I? Can. Yeah, we're gonna trade on that. Okay. Here's the deal. I'm gonna trade on it. And if I lose on it like crazy today, I'm gonna cry. But when I'm like looking at it, just oh man, dude, that is so like iffy. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take a risk for you guys for the sake of making it interesting. Because I've been winning really good. So if I lose cash, it's your guys' fault today. Because I'm trying to make it interesting and go here. Okay, let's find our trend. Our trend is 1 hour. Man, that's It's an uptrend, kind of. It's hard to catch because it's like so range. Well, I mean, it's exactly like a range, honestly. Okay, I'll take this moment to show some stuff. I'm gonna do it. Ugh, it hurts me to do it. Okay, so in these moments, how are we going to figure this out about our trend? Like, what do we want to do, right? So where are we going to be going? So we're going to go to the lowest of the low in this price action here. And we're going to carry here. So we have one, two touches, three. And then that is our uptrend, or you can call it it's not even really a trend, but it's going to be your major resistance. Not resistance, sorry. Brain is really regretting this. Your support level. Oh, this hurts. This hurts to even, because I would not typically. Yeah, and that's your resistance, major resistance right here. And this is the 1 hour. And let me go ahead and change this because I don't want any confusion in my lines. All right. Put it on the body of the candle. We want to be as precise as possible. And here. Okay. So obviously we are in an uptrend. Yeah. Now, what do we do with this information? Yeah. So if it goes above the resistance level here, it's going to continue the uptrend. If it falls below the this trend line, yeah, then the price is going to go down, and it's going to be a trend reversal. Yeah, that's how that's going to work. Let's go to the 10-minute and take a look. 5-minute. So that's kind of like something to keep in mind here when it's doing this, right? Now let's go to the 1 minute. That's where we're trading. Okay, just get a bigger picture here of everything. Now everything's going to be hunky dory. Horizontal, one, two, three, four. Let's do five. Drag these and start from the bottom and go to the top. And put this one above. Don't. Why did you do that? Okay. Okay, that's a major line right here. One touch, broke below temporarily. And you have here. It's not really major though. Let's go with the major ones first, right here and here. Okay. About here's one. Oh, that is not a good window, but it still counts as one. Okay, this is our windows of opportunity. we're probably not gonna make a whole lot of cash today. Good for a minute. And we're gonna get on up here. Oh, we're in an uptrend. Okay. So we're doing yeah, uptrend, 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 uptrend. Don't forget that. Don't forget that. Meaning we want this price to go as low to the support level as possible before we start thinking about our entries. So we're waiting. Oh God, save me today. One candle, man, jeez. Like one, two candles, that's iffy. So 140, we're gonna try it for 200 bucks. Hasn't broke below this one in a while. Let's hope. My finger on the trigger. It's getting rejected at a lower price. Yeah. Hmm. Ouch. That hurts. We're gonna be looking here too to how close we get to here, and that's where I'll put another entry for. Uh, I might need longer time frame here. Mm. Yeah, we lost that one. Kind of breaking a rule too, because we need to see a confirmation. So distracted on this. So this one has a major point. Oh, one, two. Oh, what are we doing with moving my stuff? Okay. Mhm. Here we go. Yeah. Not enough time. Should be going up. If we go over, rejection higher, rejection higher. Mm, it's about normal for 10 minutes, so. Mm. Mhm. Okay. A little bit of recalculation here. We need to ride that down to the bottom, I think. Yeah. So obviously we're gonna have to ride it from here. Mm-hmm. Not losing much money. A couple $100, but for this kind of account, it's not so bad. Just rejections here. No, you would, wouldn't you, asshole? This is why I hate. This is such a bad area to even trade in. I would not. That's why I was so iffy about it. And this is where. Damn it. Okay. We're gonna, like, not lose too bad here. Mm-hmm. Our trend is up, but it looks like a reversal. Hmm. You can literally watch as the Rangers are like taking places in 1 minute, just fighting. Mm. If I get the pooch on this one, I'm not trading this and I'm gonna stop here because it's $2,000 in, and it's just not worth it because there we go. Ugh, of course. Huge wicks. And euro dollar went up to 91, and that's where I wanted to trade to begin with. Ugh, horrible. Not my day for a Friday. Ah, it's Friday the 13th. That's why. Either way, after this one, we're going to take a look at the euro USD. Ah, very good. I think we're going to make our money back. No! 12 seconds, my guy. Come on, don't be an asshole. Shit. Oh, 2,300. Oh, we actually came out on top a grand. Holy shit. Okay. Oh, so, okay. See, it's too much. Too risky. All right. Let's go to my favorite. So we traded some Bitcoin. Good. Congratulations. Ooh, perfect. Clear sign of a downtrend. That's what we like. A clear sign. Boom, boom, boom. Superb. Okay, one, two, three, four, five. Make this quick. That's a strong one. Almost want to label it. And here. And here. Mm, not around here. Actually, I catch that like right there. Damn it, we're missing it. Downtrend. What are we doing, boss? And we reached our goal for the day, actually. Do a couple of traits here. All right, we're not going to cut it too short. Hopefully next week we'll have another. This is not a big window. We want something like this one, but about a minute and 40. And I'm gonna go 500 bucks in. Ah, you dipshit. Okay. Ah, very good. Oh, what am I doing? Yeah. It is not my day today. Mm-hmm. No. Or is it my day? Keep going, keep going, keep going. 20 seconds, bro. 20 seconds. Drop, 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 drop. Yes. Hmm. I don't know why I'm so anxious today. Okay. Oh, thank God that paid off. Broke even again. Still $1,000 up. Mm, it's gonna rebound now. It's good that you're saying it too, because you can see that even in a rough market, you can kind of make money, but it's kind of at the same time, it's very risky. I mean, there's always money to be made, but it literally is like an ass clenching moment. And where is my 460 bucks? 2 grand. 2 grand we made today. Hmm. Okay. Yeah. 35 minutes in, 2 grand. Man, perfect. $13,000 the for the week. Okay. I'm leaving the market right now, bro. It's not even worth it too. 88% in return. We made some money on Bitcoin. We made some money on the euro. Ugh. Be careful out there. Like really. Just be and it shows again this method really, really does work. Like pretty good. You might lose some, but you can win some too, but you have to have everything dialed in. So it's gonna go up. Two rejections off this, the wick, it should be going up. You see some excitement coming in. It's gonna pump up probably above here. Nope. Am I a fool? Is this why I'm leaving the market early today? Nope. Opposite direction. Yeah, that's why I'm leaving the market early today. Just not on my game. Some days you're gonna have where you're just not gonna be on top of it, and that's fine. I mean, over like I said, look, 3 grand's our weekly goal, and if we're making if that, and if we're making like this week 3 grand, we made that big time. I mean, we made 10 grand above our goal, so no one's gonna really cry about that. But you're gonna have those days. I mean, I've had weeks too where like I've broke even. I had one day where I lost 50 grand. 50 grand. I mean, think about that. $50,000 in a week. It's horrible. So, I mean, like, if you're losing a little bit, that's fine. Just like take a pause, walk away when you know. I know right now with how I'm doing. I did really, really good. I'm blessed to take on 2 grand plus. But even to break even, I'm lucky today. Right. And but that tells me, okay, if that's luck, that means to step away and go away from it. You don't want to trade on luck, you want to trade on skill. And if my skills are off today, maybe something's gone. I didn't really sleep much either, right? I slept like just a couple of hours. But it tells me to stop right here, go get a breath, get your stuff together, come back another day. Rest, whatever. And since we'll be doing a live stream on Monday, that means this weekend I'll take the rest and get my game plan back on, and hopefully maybe I'll wake up and the market's doing better. Right? Maybe. But we'll have to see. Right? See what's going on. But either way, I know that I need to make some moves for myself and in the skill. So going from that, yeah. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me. Be sure to join at the next live stream starting Monday, right? Same place, not going anywhere. Do me a favor, follow me on all the social medias as well. I'll catch you next time. And until then, guys, be careful in this market.